Welcome to ECOPS Carbon Accounting. Client Management Introduction. Client management is a feature which enables an organization to offer emission details of all products and projects delivered to a client for a given period. Client management is offered from both client and organization perspective, where organization is the company driving carbon accounting through ECOPS software, and client is a customer buying products or project-related services from the organization. There are two interfaces in the software. 1. Organization interface. 2. Client interface. Organization interface. This enables organization to manage recording, updating, and sharing details related to products or projects with respect to emissions. The organization interface has namely 6 main activities. 1. Client onboarding. 2. Product creation. 3. Project creation. 4. Update emission of products/projects. 5. Creating purchase order and linking of products/projects. 6. Update monthly emission. The sequence of these activities in the software is as follows. Step 1. Client onboarding. Step 2. Product/project creation. Step 3. Update emission of products/projects. Step 4. Creating purchase order and linking of products/projects. Step 5. Update monthly emission. The sequence enables successful submission of data in the software.
To access client management, first, open the Chrome browser and navigate https://app.ecopshub.com/login. Log in with valid credentials. After the screen loads, click on the Carbon Accounting module on the left side of screen. Once the Carbon Accounting page opens, select Client Management. Verify that the Client Management page is displayed successfully and that the client list and other features are visible. Client Onboarding. This enables to onboard a single client or perform a bulk client onboarding. Existing client information can also be edited whenever required. Product Creation. Navigate to Product Creation to add a new product individually or upload multiple products in bulk. Editing an existing product is also available on the page. Project Creation. In the Project Creation feature, you can create a project one by one or use the bulk upload option to add multiple projects at once. Editing an existing project is also available on the page. Update emission factors to product/project. To update emission factors, click on Add Emission to submit emission for a given product or project. In case of bulk upload, download the template, fill in the required emission factor data, and perform a bulk upload. Alternatively, you can also edit emission details already submitted earlier for individual products or projects. Create purchase order and link product/project. This option enables you to create a new purchase order and update existing products or projects ordered for a given month or duration manually or through bulk upload. While creating the purchase order, link the relevant products or projects. Purchase order data can also be exported whenever needed. Update monthly emissions. To update monthly emissions, click the plus icon and enter the monthly emission details for a client based on orders and dispatches. Save the information to complete the update. Client Interface. This interface is for clients to monitor and receive emission details of products or projects received by them. Log in using the client credentials and navigate to the Carbon Accounting module. The client dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of carbon accounting data, emissions, and key sustainability metrics. Clients can access detailed reports directly from the dashboard and download them whenever required for analysis, compliance, auditing, or sustainability reporting purposes. The dashboard also enables clients to view and download monthly emissions data related to products purchased from suppliers and/or projects and services provided by the supplier organization. This functionality helps clients monitor their carbon footprint, track emissions performance, and maintain accurate records for sustainability and regulatory reporting. We will look into details of capturing each activity in subsequent coaching videos.